In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable notifications LED edge lights on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. On any Samsung Galaxy smartphone, we can customize that when we receive a notification like that, a frame like this appears on the screen of the smartphone. And right now you can see what it will look like when a notification comes in. And now I'm gonna show you how you can easily configure it on your smartphone in the same way. So guys, first off, you need to head over to settings. You can easily do so by tapping Add Settings app icon that looks like that gear. However, if you cannot find that app icon on your home screens, then just swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap right here at that gear. After that, you will be taken to the settings where you need to scroll down a bit until you find notifications. After that, tap Add Notification Pop-up Style. And that's where we can easily find Edge Lighting Style, and once you tap on that, you will be taken to that page where you can select one of these effects. You can choose any of them. Also, if you go here to colors, you can set some specific color. You can use any of these color presets, or you can pick different one simply by selecting it from here. And also you can configure it a bit if you go to advanced, and that's where you can adjust transparency for the frame. Also we can change width and duration by dragging these sliders left or right. Once you are done with that, just hit right here at Done to save the changes. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.